The history of Constantine in the context of Christianity is a significant and complex one. Constantine, also known as Constantine the Great, was a Roman emperor who ruled from 306 to 337 AD. He played a crucial role in the early Christian history, as his reign marked a turning point in the relationship between the Roman Empire and Christianity. Before Constantine's rule, Christians faced periods of persecution in the Roman Empire. The emperors in the early years of Christianity viewed the religion with suspicion and often subjected its followers to harsh measures. However, in 313 AD, Constantine issued the Edict of Milan, a proclamation that granted religious tolerance to Christians, allowing them to practice their faith openly and without fear of persecution. The reasons behind Constantine's change in policy toward Christianity are subject to debate among historians. According to various accounts, Constantine experienced a visionary event before a crucial battle at the Milvian Bridge in 312 AD. He reportedly saw a vision of a cross in the sky with the inscription, "In hoc signo vinces," in this sign, you will conquer. Inspired by this vision, Constantine embraced Christianity and attributed his victory at the Battle of the Milvian Bridge to the Christian God. After securing power as the sole ruler of the Western Roman Empire, Constantine became a patron of Christianity. He took several measures to support and promote the faith, including constructing churches, providing privileges to Christian clergy, and granting various benefits to Christians within the empire. One notable instance is the construction of the Church of the Holy Sepulchre in Jerusalem, one of the holiest sites in Christianity, believed to be the location of Jesus Christ's crucifixion, burial, and resurrection. Despite his support for Christianity, Constantine's personal journey as a Christian was not straightforward. Some historical accounts suggest that he continued to observe pagan rituals and did not receive baptism until shortly before his death in 337 AD. Nevertheless, his patronage and favorable policies significantly influenced the rise of Christianity within the Roman Empire. Constantine's impact on Christianity extended beyond his lifetime. After his death, the Roman Empire was divided between his sons, and his influence on the Christian Church continued to grow. His reign marked the beginning of the end for traditional Roman paganism, as Christianity gradually became the dominant religion in the Roman Empire. In 380 AD, Emperor Theodosius I issued the Edict of Thessalonica, also known as the Edict of Theodosius, which declared Nicene Christianity the official state religion of the Roman Empire. This further solidified the position of Christianity within the empire and paved the way for its continued growth and influence in the centuries to come. Overall, Constantine's impact on the history of Christianity cannot be overstated. His support and patronage of the faith played a pivotal role in its acceptance and subsequent rise to become the dominant religion in the Roman Empire, shaping the course of Christianity for generations to come.